Watch the ball boy. He ducks from a shot that isn't anywhere near him. Then it curves back and goes in. Physics, the goalkeeper, still refuses to believe. Because every sport has an invisible opponent, the air itself. And the best athletes don't fight it, they use it. Chapter 1. The car that could drive on the ceiling. A Formula One car, at speed, pushes down on the track harder than gravity pushes on the car, which means in theory it could drive upside down, on a ceiling, without falling. Here's the trick. A plane wing is shaped to send air faster over the top, lowering the pressure there, and the wing lifts. Now turn that wing upside down. Same shape, same physics, but now the air shoves the car down. That downforce presses the tires into the road so the car can corner at speeds that would fling an ordinary car into the wall. But here's the cruel part. That grip only exists while you're fast. Slow down, and the invisible hand lets go. The wing bends air to make grip. But air doesn't only push. Sometimes it drags. And beating that drag is a story about a ball covered in tiny dents. Chapter 2. Why a smooth ball flies half as far. A perfectly smooth golf ball, hit exactly the same way, flies about half the distance of a dimpled one. Which sounds backwards. Smooth should be slippery. Smooth should be fast. But as the ball flies, the air peels away behind it, leaving a churning, low-pressure wake that drags it back. On a smooth ball, the air peels away early and the wake is enormous. The dimples trip the air into a thin, clinging layer that hugs the ball further around, shrinking the wake behind it. Less wake, less drag. The rough ball slips through the air better than the smooth one ever could. And nobody designed this. Golfers just noticed their old scuffed balls flew further than the shiny new ones. Downforce presses. Dimples cheat drag. But the strangest trick of all isn't resisting the air, it's steering it. Which brings us back to that ball boy. Chapter 3. The kick that bends. Back to Roberto Carlos, 1997. A free kick, 35 meters out, aimed meters wide of the post. He hit it with the outside of his foot as hard as he could with heavy spin. And a spinning ball drags the air around one side with it. That moving air changes the pressure and pushes the ball sideways. So the harder it spins, the more it curves. The ball leaves aimed at the corner flag and arcs back toward the goal. The keeper never moved. He was watching a shot going wide. The air brought it back. Downforce, dimples, and a ball that turns in midair. 3 sports, 1 invisible opponent, mastered by the ones who stopped fighting it. So watch the ball boy. He ducks, because he hasn't learned yet that the air is on Roberto's side. Sports. Explained.